Hi again and welcome back to 30 Days to an Outstanding Customer Experience. Now, have you ever considered that discounts don't build loyalty? They build expectations. Now, sure, a promo might get a quick sale, but if your customers come back only when you're given a 20% discount, that's not loyalty, is it? That's just a transaction. But the good news is you can make customers feel deeply valued without cutting into your margins. So, let's break down how to do that with smart, sustainable strategies that build connection instead of conditioning the discount habit. First, you want to focus on recognition, not reduction. Customers want to feel seen, not just be sold to. And you can make them feel special by doing things like sending them a thank you note after a purchase, giving them early access to new products and services, acknowledging repeat purchases with a personal message. Now, it's not the cost, it's the care. Secondly, you want to create value through service, not just pricing. Think about your experience. Are you easy to reach? Are your responses thoughtful and fast? Do you follow up after the sale? Because being easy to do business with is a value add within itself. And then thirdly, build community and exclusivity. Make your customers feel like they're part of something by inviting them to beta test new products or services, asking them for feedback and then actually using that feedback to make change in your company, or by highlighting their stories or their reviews publicly. Because when customers feel like insiders, they stay, even when someone else is cheaper. So a quick example, one small business that I work with sent personalised thank you videos to their top 10 customers. No discounts, no promos, just gratitude. The result, not only did those customers keep buying, they shared their experience online. Loyalty and referrals without touching pricing. Okay, here's your actionable step for today. Think of one high value customer who you supported consistently and reach out and make them feel appreciated without offering them a discount. Send a voice note, a message, a handwritten thank you note. Just make it personal. And now I'd love to hear from you. What's one way that you make your customers feel valued without lowering your prices? If you'd like, if you could share your way in the comments, I'd love to hear what's working for you. And remember, these tips only work if you work them. So give this a go. Take this idea from theory to practice and from practice to mastery. Because trust me, you are going to thank yourself later. Now you go out there and you make this the year that you deliver unforgettable service that keeps your customers coming back time and time again.